his third start. There's Ivan Toney, had another excellent season with Al Ahly in the Saudi Pro League, just beaten to the Golden Boot in the Saudi Pro League on the final day of this season by Julian Quiñones, who was impressive here at this World Cup with Colombia. Misplayed and collected by Rice, who's going to have a crack and he's going to score. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Captain for the day leads the way. England make the perfect start as they pick themselves up from the disappointment of the semi-final defeat to Argentina.
Yeah, it's a perfect way for England to start this game. Really, it's only about the second attack on goal, first meaningful shot on target, and it's Declan Rice. He almost just passes the ball. I mean, it gives away. France are pretty sloppy with trying to get out. I think it was Doué there plays a sloppy pass. Declan Rice pounces, just creates a little bit of space for himself, picks that corner and almost caresses it into that far corner. And you can see there, Maignan just does not move. He does not see it until very, very late.
Well, he's certainly been playing through pain at this World Cup. Declan Rice hasn't made it through the entire 90 minutes more than once here in the USA, but a fine strike indeed. England 1, France 0. Eighth goal for England for Declan Rice.
And the heels there from Gusto and Jed Spence. And England, I think, are happy enough to see this first half out, maintain that 3-goal lead. For France, going to be desperately hoping for this break to come sooner rather than later.
It's a lovely turn from Ezri and a brilliant pass into Saka. Oh, it's 4! Saka's second of the game. It's a first half demolition of France by England. And the French players are looking stunned for the second time in the space of less than a week. And it is not going to be such a fond farewell match for their head coach Didier Deschamps. A disastrous first half for France.
It's once again England straight through the middle. Pretty simple. I mean, Ezri's ball's really good. Saka's finish is exceptional. That's very basic, very simple football that France have just been asleep at. Very good finish. Can't keep giving players of that quality, of Saka's quality, these sort of opportunities. And England are running away with this, and this is going to be a long old afternoon for France at this rate.
Well, new ground here, new territory that they won't enjoy, France. It's the first time they've ever been 4 goals behind at a World Cup.
I think they've done really well so far. I mean, obviously, France, you look at France, you think they are still feeling the effects. There's no doubt about it whatsoever. Also, the changes can sometimes work against you. For England, it seems to be very positive so far.
In from Rice. Into the back of the net, a second goal for England, Ezri Konsa. 2-0 inside the opening 20 minutes of the game.
That's a brilliant header, it really is. It's a delivery, again, we talked about before, the delivery has to be spot on, and Declan Rice this time gets it absolutely right. Konsa makes that run to that near post. The deficit of touches, and it just basically hops into that far post corner area. Goalkeeper has no chance whatsoever. So difficult to react to that. And England are very good for the 2-0 lead.
Well, he will have been disappointed to have been left out of the starting 11 for the semi-final the other day, but the perfect response, Ezri Konsa. That's a wonderful header.
Yeah, it's very, very good. So difficult for the goalkeeper to react. Rabiot's in his way as well, doesn't really see it till late. So difficult to react from a header from that sort of distance. And for England, it is the perfect start.
Cross. Rabiot was up there at the far post. Henderson able to make the block. Saka collects, and away goes Marcus Rashford. England on the counter. Maignan makes the save. Collected by Saka. Rashford has it. France at 6s and 7s. It's 3-0. Bukayo Saka. What a first half for England in the bronze medal game. Third place is theirs for the taking now, which would be England's best finish for 60 years.
Oh, absolute excellent play from England. Rashford and Saka, they just did not stop, did they? They were so persistent. I mean, I thought at one stage France had done enough. They defended so well, scrambled really well. The goalkeeper made a very good save. Defenders left, right and centre defending well. And it all starts from Henderson, that vital interception. Saka's ball was brilliant. In behind, as Rashford gets in there, you feel like there's a big chance for him, and Maignan does so well. The defending was scrambling, was doing so well once again for France. And Rashford and Saka never once panicked. In the end, good finish from Saka.
Well, as first half performances go, this is the perfect response from England to their intense disappointment in the manner of their defeat to Argentina. France were at 6s and 7s there, weren't they, as they say?
Yeah, they were. I mean, initially I thought they did really well to get back in numbers. So just checking possibly, well, it's offside. No, it's definitely dangerous going forward.
Konsa. Rodgers, brilliantly done. It's with Bukayo Saka. Saka goes for goal and finds the net. The flag goes up, it won't count.
Yeah, so really, I think it's a tight call. It looked like in real time, I thought it was very close. Get a chance to see it. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's just straight offside. The line will get that absolutely right. It was a quick check. And France are off again.
Yeah, another warning for France, though, but